LinkedIn is a goldmine when it comes to generating B2B leads. You can filter decision makers by company, by location, by the different industries, by different interests, and a lot of B2B businesses are not really paying attention to LinkedIn. So I'm going to give you 5 steps to start generating leads on LinkedIn. Number 1, you have to have a value proposition or an offer that is hard to resist. For example, at Optimum 7, we sell specific services to e-commerce businesses. And those e-commerce businesses could be on Shopify or Bigcommerce or Magenta. So if I want to get the attention of a decision maker, which is a business owner or a C-level at an e-commerce business that does over $10 million in annual revenue, I might create a 2022 guide in e-commerce, for example, or I might do a Shopify conversion optimization checklist or top 5 Shopify functionalities explained. And when I create this offer, I have to have a landing page that supports that offer. Step 2, once I have the value proposition and the landing page, I want to select my audience. Now on the LinkedIn ad platform, I can do that, or I can actually grab a list of decision makers from a tool like PIPL or another tool like Seamless and pull all the email addresses and create specific audiences that I can go after. Step 3, meetalfred.com. This is a tool that helps you create automations in connecting with people on LinkedIn and contacting them. Load up the list onto meetalfred.com and let MeetAlfred do his thing. Step 4, cold contacting people is not enough. You have to have a series of videos that support your lead magnet, which was step 1, and then you want to create as to continuously target your audiences so they see your messaging. This is retargeting and it's very, very important. It's multiple touch points, multiple brand touch points to nurture your audience. So when you contact them, they don't feel like you're a stranger. They've already been watching your videos. Step 5 is email automation. You have to use a tool like Lemlist or another drip campaign tool like Mailum so that, yes, you are contacting them and targeting them on LinkedIn, but you have to also do that through email. Bonus step 6, if you want to really differentiate the way you do this, you add SMS as well as voicemail drops to this funnel. Now we practice what we preach. We actually have a specific process written down that highlights and explains all of these 6 steps. If you want access to this, contact us and we're happy to guide you in the right direction.
Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos on e-commerce, custom development, marketing, and much more. And leave us a comment if you'd like to discuss the contents of this video further.